Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good old friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create this double exposure effect in seconds, okay? Double exposure is a very popular type of genre of graphic design and in movie posters, magazine covers, wide range, wide spectrum of designs that you can implement this style into. What I would like to do is show you the process of how to do it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm just going to remove these top three layers here and let's start from afresh. So as you can see here, we have this image of our friend. First thing that I would need to do is make a selection around him. So what I'm going to do now is come through, use my object selection tool and select the subject. This may take a couple of seconds for it to recognize, but it's quite quick, as you can see. And what I need to do now is apply a layer mask to this. So I'm going to come to our layers window, and there's our layer mask option to apply a layer mask. Now, this checkered pattern means I've got a transparent background. I just want to add a white background. So if I come through to our adjustment layers here, we're going to go solid color, and let's make sure that is white. Okay, and let's just take that underneath the layer here, like so. Okay, so what I have here is a city image that I've downloaded earlier, okay? And I'm just going to resize this to fit the whole screen here. So I'm going to press Command-T, and let's make sure that it fits everything like so, just to make sure it's nice and fitting our man. Okay, wonderful. Now, what I need to do is apply a layer mask to this layer. And what I need to do is apply an inverted layer mask. So I'm going to come to our layer mask option and press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to apply an inverted layer mask, like so. Now, using my brush tool, what I'm going to do now is come through, going to make sure that I have a soft, a round brush that I'm using, going to make sure my hardness is down to 0%. The size depends on how big or how small you want your brush size. But make sure that you must make sure your opacity is down to around 20%, okay? So now if I come through and just start using the color white to make sure that we bring the image back, as you can see now, it's starting to come to life and we can see that city layout just below. So now the last step is I want this to look sharp around our figure here. So we need to apply a clipping mask. So I'm going to come to the layer. You can either right click on the layer and create a clipping mask, or what you can do is simply hover to the bottom of it, press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and create a clipping mask like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create this double exposure effect in seconds. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are videos that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you check them out. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.